Hey y'all, it's Chris Rigole with Rigole Realty Group here. I'm back with your Atlanta Metro market report for the month of December of 2023. Let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at the numbers here and see where we ended up at the end of 2023. Our median sale price has continued to appreciate in the Metro Atlanta area. All four counties, Fulton, Cobb, DeKalb, and Gwinnett, as you can see here below me, experienced higher median sale prices last year, up anywhere from 5 to 8%. So even though the market has shifted and slowed down some, sales have been down overall this past year. Home prices have continued to appreciate. New listings are down and continue to drop. Definitely always see that around the holiday season, but with the higher interest rates, people not moving as much, we've definitely seen new listings decrease, down 15% in Fulton County, 6, 7, 5% in the other counties. We are definitely still seeing a lack of housing inventory out there, which I think is driving the higher sale prices, although overall homes have or sales have been down this past year. So homes for sale, not much change there. Pending sales has continued to decrease as well. So pendings are down across the board as well, 10%, 16% in Fulton County. So again, I think the higher interest rates have certainly impacted the amount of buyers who are out looking to buy homes. So it just means less homes are going pending, going under contract, and that means less homes are closing or selling. So closed sales down across the board as well. Fulton, Cobb, DeKalb, anywhere from 10 to 20% less closed home sales in 2023. All right, let's take a look at our days on market. Median days on market, we are now around 18 to 23 days. So, you're looking at about 3 to 4 weeks to get an accepted offer on your home. Days on market is how long has it been on the market before the seller receives and accepts an offer. So that has continued to increase really throughout the year. And we might see that dip a little bit heading into the new year. We normally see a pop of new activity in the new year, and hopefully seeing some new listings come on the market, more homes going under contract, more sales, and home selling a little bit more quickly than we are right now. Month supply, this is our indicator of what type of market are we in, buyer's market, seller's market. Anything under 6 months is considered a seller's market. As you can see, we're still from 1.8 to 2.9, so let's say 2 to 3 months supply across the 4 metro counties. So we are still well into a seller's market in the Metro Atlanta area. And the percent of original list prices is how close to the original list price does the home actually sell for. So 97.5, 98.5, we'll just average that at about 98%. Homeowners are getting 2% under their original asking price. So buyers are getting a little bit of a better deal, a little bit better price these days. So that's where we are now for the month of December 2023. So overall, as I mentioned, sales have been down across the board, but homes are still selling. People that need to sell their home, within a few weeks or a couple months, they're selling it. They're selling it for, on average, a little bit under their original asking price. Home values did not take a hit like many people thought would happen with the higher interest rates and the slowdown in the market. There was a fear that there would be a crash, this recession, that home values would decrease drastically. That has not happened in the Metro Atlanta area. No, it's probably happened in other parts of the country. Fortunately, here in Atlanta, our market has been stable and home values have continued to appreciate. So going forward in 2024, we expect to see interest rates come down throughout the year, hoping to see, we're about 6.5 to 7% right now. They dipped a little bit the past few weeks. Forecasts show that maybe we'll be closer to 5.5 to 6%. maybe by the end of this year. So hopefully that will help generate some new inventory coming on the market. And, we definitely need that in the Atlanta area as more people continue to move here. We definitely don't have the inventory to support that at this time. I think a lot of homeowners were kind of staying put, even if they do need to move, because they're kind of waiting to see if those interest rates are going to improve. So as we see that improvement this year, I think that will spur a pretty busy spring market this year, and we'll see where we end up. It is an election year that typically does impact the market, and this one could certainly have the same impact or more that we typically see. So I have to wait and see what happens at the end of the year this year. But I do think that we'll see a busy spring market in Atlanta. Homeowners will be able to sell easily, get their asking price. Buyers may still continue to get a little bit of a deal as rates are a little bit higher. There probably will be some competition, some multiple offers, but I don't expect to see the same level that we experienced in 2021. So anyway, we'll wait and see what happens. Nobody has a crystal ball, but this is what my thoughts are on the year ahead. If you've stayed to watch the video at this point and stayed with me this long, I thank you. I realize this is a long video. So if you're still here with me right now, I appreciate you. Please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you have any questions about anything real estate related, the city of Atlanta, the Atlanta market, I am happy to assist. All right. Cheers. Happy New Year. We'll see you again next month.